Welcome back to this Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to find your wallet address on Trust Wallet. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do, if you haven't already, is to click the download option. And these are the platforms where you can download the Trust Wallet. It's available for iOS, for Android, for Chrome, and by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Now, your wallet address is where others can send cryptocurrencies to you. Whether you're receiving payments, donations, or transferring funds between wallets, you need your address to complete transactions. For example, if you need to receive payments right here, in cryptocurrencies for goods or any other services you provide, sharing your wallet address enables others to send payments directly to your wallet. But how do we find our wallet address? Now, just select on the type of crypto that you wanted. For example, you're using BNB or the Binance Smart Chain. All you have to do is click the receive option, and what will happen is you would be able to get the wallet address. Alright? Now, copy this one. Of course, proceed to any other exchange platforms that you wanted to use this specific Trust Wallet address. Now, it's the same thing when you click on the Ethereum. When you click on it, it would show you, of course, your wallet address. Now, I need you to go to different kind of crypto, and you see that this is the only and the fastest way to get your address. And please remind you that certain applications or services may require to link your cryptocurrency wallet by entering your wallet address. Now, this allows for seamless integration and of course usage of cryptocurrencies within those platforms. This method is also available when you use your Trust Wallet app. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.